Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add filters through the collection page in the Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, go on your Shopify store. Once you're in, you have to go on the settings, and here you have to scroll down and click on the meta fields. Now you have to click on the products and add definition. Here you have to add the product meta field definition and also add the description. Now here you have to add the select content type. Here you have many types, you can select any one. Once you're done with it, you have to save it. Now you have to go back and click on the products. Now you have to select the product, scroll down. Here is the option of meta fields, you have to click on it. Now if you have the option of the meta field, you have to go on the online store and click on the navigation. From here you can add the filter to that product. So yeah, this is how you can add filters to collection page in the Shopify.